afternoon. My name is Simbarat, the incoming governor of Kisii County. I want to confirm to you, Mama, that Governor Karua'S has done his part, and for sure, when I'll come in, I'll make this place more better. The nurses, the doctors who are here, be prepared for better services, improve from where our governor will let them be. For the public, nataka niseme Mungu akipenda tarehe 9, sisi zote tutahakikisha kwamba Kisii imekuwa mzuri. Mahali Mheshimiwa Governor Ngwa ameachia, tutabebea hapo na akili mpya ambayo itasaidia nchi yetu. Mama, karibu Kisii. The First Lady, Mama Deputy President, karibu. Asante mwana.
Your Excellency, Madam Martha Karua'S, I requested you kindly if you can come here and open this facility for us, because the facility is for ladies and our children. When I talked to you and told you about this facility and asked that you kindly accompany our mother of the nation to come here, I sincerely thank the two of you, because you didn't even blink. You didn't even ask me anything. The only thing you asked me, is it about mothers and children? And I told you yes, and you told me yes, all of you, yes, yes, yes. I thank you, and may God bless you.
Excellency, the first woman Deputy President, Honorable Martha Karua'S, and members of the Health Fraternity, Amjambo. I have been the chair of the Health Committee at the National Assembly, and I want to attest that the governor of Kisii County has been the leading governor in terms of healthcare and healthcare improvement and taking care of his staff. And I want to say congratulations, Governor. And I hope that the incoming governor will come and take over and even make this facility better.
Your Excellency, our incoming Deputy President and the first woman Deputy President in Kenya, you have the care for women. You think about us, and that is why you have honored us today by coming here to open the Mother and Child Hospital and the GBB Center. Mother, I want to assure you that come tarehe 9 tutafanya nini? Sisi Sabina Chege, form ni baba na mama Martha.
Our host, Governor Ngwae, and all the people present, it is my honor and pleasure to be here today, coming to witness the opening of the Mother and Child Hospital, a hospital that gives promise to give quality health care, just like has been promised by the Azimio Manifesto by the name of Baba Care. So looking at that facility, I can see Kisii County is ready for Baba Care, and I'm happy that those who are aspiring to be governors, tukiomba kura na tuombe kwa amani. Tunaambia Wakenya, hii ni azimio la umoja. Umoja haiwezi patikana kwa fujo. Tuwe ni watu wa utulivu, watu wa amani, na kuheshimu wananchi ni kuwapatia nafasi ya kuhudhuria kila mkutano na nafasi pia ya kutoa kura kwa yule atajipendekeza kwa wao. Nataka kukomea hapo.